How to redeem Nando's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Nando's promo code and then search for it. First up, I'm gonna show you guys where can you find Nando's promo code. Using any of these websites, you can easily get access to Nando's working promo code. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Groupon. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Nando's. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 20% off, 30% off, $50 off, and many more. You can head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can head towards the website of Nando's, or for some offers, you will need to click on the option of Shop Now and you will be directed to the official website of Nando's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to check out. While you check out, the offer will be automatically applied and you will get certain amount as a discount. Or in the case you find the option of discount code or promo code, you have to type in the code and then confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. So this is how you can easily redeem your Nando's promo code. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.